In one of my earlier videos, I covered how to add a member tag to your WhatsApp group chats to help people identify your role, for example, your job role. But what happens when your role changes or you want to remove that tag entirely? Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit or delete your member tag in just a few simple steps. Let's dive in. First, open the WhatsApp group where you want to make the change. Remember, these tags are group specific, so changing it in your work group won't affect your family group. At the top of the screen, tap on the group name or subject to open the group info section. This is where all the administrative and participant settings are stored. Now scroll down past the media and group settings until you reach the participant list. You will typically see your own name at the top of this list, often labeled as you, or if you have already created a member tag for this group. Tap on your name to open your personal participant menu. It now gives you an option to edit member tag. Tap on this. Simply type in your new role by deleting the old role. Just a quick reminder, your tag must be under 30 characters and cannot include emojis or symbols. Once you've updated your description, tap Save to instantly update it for all current and future group members. If you've decided you no longer want a tag, deleting it is just as easy. After you tap on your name and edit member tag, in the top right corner, you can see there is a bin. Just tap on this and it will say delete member tag. All we have to do is tap on the delete button. And as you can see, that is completely removed.